Model, 2019 Citroen Relay 35 L2h2 Enterprise 2.0 BLUEHDI starts drives coolant pressurizing no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 83,914. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Starts straight away, no shaking or misfiring. This should be straightforward head gasket replacement job, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left.